Meaning of dryness.
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 Dryness. Dryness refers to the condition of something that lacks moisture or water content. When an object or substance is dry, it is typically brittle, rough, or lacking in pliability. Dryness can occur due to various reasons, such as a lack of humidity, excessive heat, or prolonged exposure to air or the sun. In humans, dryness can cause discomfort and skin irritation, particularly in areas where there are mucous membranes or sensitive skin. Overall, dryness can negatively affect the texture, appearance, and quality of various materials and living organisms.